welcome back to the Luxevo Vacations YouTube channel. I'm here at Azul Beach Resort in Riviera, Cancun, and I wanted to give you a room tour of my premium suite. So excited about it, and it's so insane, so get ready for it. Let's go. Okay, so first thing that you see when you come through the door is this beautiful double-sinked vanity. Sorry for my stuff that's laid out. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. And then right to the right, you have this full-length mirror. And then this walk-in shower. This is like fogged glass. And it has like a waterfall shower head, and that fogged glass set leads to the bedroom. Absolutely gorgeous. You have your bathroom. Ooh. And then it opens up to this room with this giant bed. I don't know if you can tell how big it is. They so sweetly gave us a bottle of wine. We have all this, some fancy chocolates that they left us. Your coffee. Okay, this cabinet, I wasn't even sure what it was until I clumsily ran into it. And it opens up to, this is like a mini bar, but it's pretty big. This fridge, mini fridge, full of snacks and drinks, Mexican snacks. Look at this. I wish I could eat it, but I'm allergic to it. But this hazelnut, it's kind of like a Mexican Ferrero Rocher. Then over here, we have this mirror and this beautiful fruit setup that they gave us that I kind of made ugly, but there you go. And then we have a bathtub with a view, this beautiful bathtub. You see there's the room from this angle. And then have a balcony. Let's step out here. Beautiful lounge chairs and this view. Tonight we'll be eating at the restaurant Le Chic, which is like a 5-star gourmet restaurant with molecular gastronomy. The chef is Jonathan Gomez Lunes Torres, and it's gonna be an amazing experience. So grateful to Charisma. Thank you guys for sending us here. Super excited to get you guys some content and show you what it's like. It's absolutely amazing.